Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I've got another advent calendar unboxing for you, and I've got the Beauty Story advent calendar from Lookfantastic. This is what it looks like. It is now available to pre-order. It costs £95. It has a value of over £102. If you are a subscriber, you automatically get a discount if you use code ADVENTSUBS, I believe it is. I'll pop it down below in my description anyway. But if you're not a subscriber, then you're welcome to use a code that Lookfantastic have kind of given me to share with you for £10 off, and that is ADVENTBEAUTYGEEK. I'll pop all details down below in my description, as well as links to this advent calendar and the Lookfantastic website. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. This advent calendar was kind of gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. I've done a little mini unboxing, just a little sneak peek that I've posted up on Instagram, so I have had a look inside, but I've popped everything all back in so that I can share it all with you. So yeah, please let me know what you think of this advent calendar and whether you're going to get it or not. Starting off, number one down here. Really excited about this one. Look. Rituals of Ayurveda. This is a reed diffuser. This is a gorgeous scent, one of my favourite ritual scents, and it's roses from India, fragrance sticks, Indian rose and sweet almond oil, and yet there's 70 mils here. You may already know this, but I cannot stand rose, scent of rose, but I love this rose. It might be because it's an Indian rose. Really nice. So we've got a good size there. And I've had a few of these before. I've bought some and I've received them in boxes and advent calendars, and they do last a long while. So yeah, off to a good start. Day number 2 up here. We got a little mini Drunk Elephant Proteiny Polypeptide Cream. And there's 5 mils there. Ooh. Now this is a brand I don't know too much about. Yeah. Just says a facial moisturizer. So I'll have to look on their website for more information, but that's day number 2. Day number 3 up here. We've got an Iconic London Triple Threat Mascara in black. This mascara is amazing, absolutely amazing. Now it's one of these ones that you think, really? Can that lift, lengthen, thicken up lashes? Even short, straight, thin lashes like what I've got. It does, it does. It is wonderful. I'd say it's in my top 3 favourite ever mascaras. Yeah, it's a really great mascara. So I've got another one now. Day number 4. And this is a gorgeous smelling candle. It is so nice. I've already lit this because I've done some reels for Lookfantastic, this advent calendar. So yeah, this is a natural wax vegan cocoa oud scent. This is by Demi and this is a mini. I know they retail for £8. So you'll either receive this one or another one, which is another female. It's so cute, isn't it? It is tiny. Look at the little bum. It is so cute. But yeah, it smells absolutely gorgeous. You can smell it in the box before you take it out. Really cute and a little bit different, isn't it? We don't usually see candles, or not like this anyway, in a beauty advent calendar, because obviously it's not beauty, but it's relaxation, it's pampering, it's all part of the process. Number 5, I've got a mask. This is by Beauty Pro. This is a warming eye mask and relaxing chamomile self-warming eye mask. And I think this is relatively new to the Beauty Pro brand. I've only just started noticing it over the last month, so it could be a new product that they brought out. Love a warming mask. Day number 6 down here. And we've got one of my favourite ever conditioners. You might have seen a recent hair care haul video. I showed you a massive version, like 945 mils, something like that. This is a 50 mil. This is a 3-in-1 conditioner by We Are Paradox. It is gorgeous, really lovely, and everyone else in the family really like it as well. So it's a conditioner, hair mask and a finishing cream. I just tend to use it as a conditioner when I wash my hair and just leave it in my hair for a couple of minutes and rinse off. But yeah, it just leaves my hair feeling super soft and less tangles with it as well. Yeah, really great product. So that is day number 6. Day number 7, all the way over here. So by Terry Hyaluronic Pressed Powder. I'm laughing because if you follow me, you will understand. I bang on about some of these products frequently. I love By Terry, absolutely love it. And I have got the full range of this. I've got the press powders, I've got the mini press powder, which this is, I've got the full size, I've got the loose powder in translucent, I've got the loose powder in tinted. It's such a gorgeous, gorgeous powder and so handy for taking away this little size on holiday. Got a little puff there and a mirror. It doesn't leave my under eyes looking cakey or dry. It's just really nice and it feels strange. It feels almost cooling on the skin, which is really weird because it feels wet, but it's not. But yeah. It's my favourite pressed powder and it just happens to be in this calendar. So there's that. Day number 8 over here. We've got a product by Emma Hardy. This is a Pump and Glow Hydrating Facial Mist Anti-Pollution. I've never tried this. So this is completely new for me. 30 ml, helps to boost hydration and plumps up dehydrated skin and fine lines. Evens out the complexion, provides a soft focus and luminous glow. Wow, it sounds amazing. Yeah. I don't think I've ever had that. No, I love it when I receive products I've never tried, because obviously being a YouTuber, doing beauty subscription boxes and advent calendars, so I'm going to see a lot of crossover, a lot of repeat products I'm going to receive. That is a given, really. But yeah, to have something I've never tried, that does excite me. What day was I on? Day number 9 I'm looking for. Up here, this is Aroma Active Laboratories Soothing Universal Repair Cream in Light. Blue Tansy, Immortelle, Lavender and Patchouli. It's a calm and rebuild dry or irritated skin. A quickly absorbed all-purpose barrier building cream to hydrate dry or irritated skin whenever you need it. So I'm assuming as this is light, you can get different shades. Try a little bit on my hand. Right, it's white there. Maybe light refers to a light cream. It doesn't really make sense, really. A barrier cream for really dry skin that you can use anywhere on your body. I'm guessing there's a few of these, and depending on the severity of your dry skin, you can opt for a light one if you've just got very mild dry skin, and then it increases possibly. I don't know. But yeah, Aroma Active Laboratories there. Day number 10 down here. We've got a Rhodial Vitamin C, a brightening mask. It says a lightweight gel mask infused with pure vitamin C and a blend of exfoliating fruit AHAs to even skin tone and gently resurface the complexion. And there's 20 ml here. I love this range. Really, really gorgeous range. My favourite range of Rhodial is the Vitamin C. And yeah, I've used this a few times as well. It is a really nice mask. Yeah, so there's that. Day number 11 here. Doesn't want to come out with a box. Ooh. It's a full-size Christoph Robin Cleansing Purifying Scrub for your hair. I've had this and it feels gorgeous. It feels so weird if you've never used a scrub for your scalp before. It is a bit weird. I was a bit nervous about trying them. I thought, oh, if I'm going to be exfoliating my head, will I break off hairs and things like that? But no. It's not. It's really, really great for your scalp health and your hair health as well. Yeah, this is lovely. With sea salt soothing detox treatment shampoo, and there's 250 ml there. I'll just open it up and show you if you haven't seen it before. You see? It smells so nice. It smells really nice. I just put a bit on my nose then. Day number 12 of here. We've got an Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm, and there is 20 grams there. Love the fact we got an Elemis product in the box. We have seen other products from Pro Collagen range before. The moisturizers and night creams, and yeah, it's really nice. Your makeup just slides off your face when you use it. We've got a cleanser. Day number 13 at the top. And we've got a product by Avene. This is a Hyaluronic Argan Peony Sweet Almond Oil. It's a Velvet Perfecting Rose Sugar Lip Scrub. And there's 10 ml there. Now I've already got one of these, so I'll be passing this on. But yeah, Avene, if you didn't already know, the retail value of their products is extortionate. They're very pricey. It's not to say that the products aren't any good. Some of them are, some of them aren't, as with most brands. But yeah, I don't know how much this will be, but I'm thinking about £50, £60, maybe. I don't know off the top of my head. But yeah, so rose lip scrub there. Day number 14, down here, and we've got a Sasha Juwan. This is a hair repair mask, and there's 30 mils there. Intensive hair treatment for damaged hair, stressed hair, frizz reduction, leaves your hair manageable with a silky shine and a healthy look. And then it tells you how to use it. It's got a hair mask. Day number 15, up here. Ooh, what's this? I've got a brush and a pot. Gel brows. Gel brows. Ooh, this is a brow styling gel by WBCO. If I've said that right. And you've got a little spoolie there. That's what the pot looks like. Why am I sniffing it? Why would I want scented brow gel? I wouldn't. Just straight away it goes to my nose. So with these brushes, I twist them like that so that they're flat. It just makes it a lot easier to grab the product in there. I'm not going to do it now, but yeah, you just grab the product on there, give it a bit of a wiggle, and then brush your brows into place. I have microbladed eyebrows and barely there natural brows, but I do like to wear gels in my brows just to give a bit of definition, or else they look quite flat. So there's that. Day number 16, down here, we have got an eye pencil by Inika, organic, and this is in black. There you go. Whoop. You're getting to see this before me. There. So an eyeliner pencil. Day number 17, up here. Philip Kingsley. This is an Elasticizer booster. This is a restoring conditioner, 20 mils. So we'll see if we have the shampoo as well in here, because as you may already know, I love it when we get a shampoo and a conditioner duo. I can't remember because I haven't opened this calendar fully, so I don't know. We'll see. 18 over here. I'm having a deja vu moment. This is an Emma Hardy Plump and Glow Hydrating Facial Mist. This is what I showed you earlier on. What number was it? Hold on. Oh my gosh, I'm going to have to go back all through them all now. Do you know what I've done? I am such an idiot. Instead of picking day number 8, I picked day number 18. So we all know what's in day number 18 now. What an idiot. What an idiot. I'll just show you what's in day 8, as clearly I missed that. We've got 2 products by Revolution. And we've got a Pout Balm Plumping Lip Gloss with vitamin E, I should say. And we've got a lipstick in here. Hold on, I'll just take the wrapping off. I don't know how many of you know this, but I've got dyslexia, I've got ADHD, and I've got dyscalculia. I'm so chuffed that I'm able to do these unboxings without messing up. Usually, this is the very first time I've swapped numbers. But hopefully that'll be the last. But look at this! Look at this! That is gorgeous. Little lips on the top there. So this is a lipstick, and oh, I love this! It is a warmer red. Oh, really, really nice. Normally, we get bright brick red, which is gorgeous. I do love wearing brick red, but I do love this as well. This is more, it looks more pinky on my hand, more of a pinky tone red. So yeah, so we've got a lipstick there. We've got a Pout Balm. I've already got one of these, so I'm not going to open it up, but as you can see, it's clear. So yeah, so that was day 8. Now on to day number 19. I think it's 19. And I can't, it's up here. I've got a little palette. Came in a little case like this. This is by Olivia Cosmetics, a brand I haven't tried or heard of before. This is an eyeshadow palette. And look how gorgeous that is. I'm not sure if I showed you properly. Look how cute. And then you've got a mirror. And then those shadows there. So you've got a really nice, like a chocolate, slightly plumish toned matte eyeshadow. And then you've got a gorgeous vibrant copper. Yeah, I really, really like that. Really pretty. So there's that. Day number 20 down here. I'm really looking forward to trying this. This is by Zelens. This is T-Shot Urban Defense Serum. And there's 10 mils here. There's no information about it on the packaging, so I'll have to have a look online. But yeah, we've got a facial serum there. Day number 21 at the top. The gua sha. Nothing wrong with gua shas. I could open a gua sha shop. They are doing their rounds at the moment in lots of different boxes, advent calendars. It's a cool beauty tool. It is a great beauty tool. It helps with lymphatic drainage, depuffing. You apply your moisturizer or serum and then you just do your little movements. This is by Disciple and it says de-stress your skin. I love the little pouch it comes in. But yeah, sorry, I had to laugh because I've got a load of them now. So I will be passing this on, although I do really like the look of this one. This looks really nice. There. So yeah, so you just carve out the jaw, drain the puffiness. I'm not too sure how to use it properly. I have had a look at a few videos online, but I need to look into it a little bit more. Releasing areas of tension, made from hemp, which naturally holds heat, making it perfect to stimulate the lymphatic system and give your skin a plump glow. Can be stored in a fridge for extra depuffing quantities. Actually, I might keep this one and pass on the others that I've got. So it's a natural hemp gua sha. There's that. Day number 22. Up here, and we've got a First Aid Beauty. This is a Bumperizer body scrub with 10% AHA, safe for sensitive skins, and there's 28.3 grams. Oh, is this for removing, what is it called, Pilaris cutatus? I'm trying to remember. I am trying to remember. You know the bumpy skin. I know I butchered that then, but you know the bumpy skin that you get on the top of your arms. Some people get it, some others don't. My two youngest kids have it. And yeah, and their dad does as well. So yeah, apply product onto wet skin and gently massage over problem areas. Rinse and follow with moisturizer. Bumperizer body scrub. It must be. Only a few more to go. Day number 23 up the top. Oh, I got an Esper product. This is Optimal Skin Pro Moisturizer, nutrient rich hydrator for radiant skin, and there's 55 mils there. This is really, really nice. I love the Esper packaging. It's always beautiful and smart, and yeah, really, really nice. Can I show you what it looks like? Yeah. Woo, yeah. Yeah, there you go, before it starts tipping out. Use morning and evening after cleansing and toning. Apply to fingertips and tap into neck, face and décolletage until fully absorbed. So there's that. Day number 24. I don't know where it is. That's 25. Where's 24? Oh. We've got the ordinary Mandelic acid, 10% and HA. And there's 30 mils here. Again, something new for me. Not the brand. I've tried many products from The Ordinary, but this is new for me. It doesn't say anything about it. It just says use once a day, ideally in the PM. Can be diluted with other treatments to reduce strength until skin develops tolerance. No, it doesn't say anything about it. No, I'm going to have to look on their website for more information. It just tells you how to use it and the ingredients. But yeah. Something new for me. Day number 25, this massive gold box on the bottom, and we have got a facial tool. This is by PMD, and this is a mini facial cleansing tool. This is gorgeous. This is so, so cute. I've already got one. Got a little battery. But look, see, it's perfect to hold in your hand. It's just really nice. You've got really soft bristles there. And on the back. When I first received it, I was like, oh, okay. It's a cleansing tool, but look, I've just put the battery in it and the bottom there. Can you hear it? Press it again. Press it again. It pulsates. And then pulsates again. So lots of different vibrations there to suit your needs. Yeah, so that is day number 25. A really cute and gorgeous facial cleansing tool. So I hope you enjoyed watching. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this year's advent calendar, how it compares to last year's advent calendar. Are you going to get it? Have you already pre-ordered it? Or is it just not for you this year? I would love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.